Hi Nani, this is Logesh from India today. It's a
Hi,
pleasure to
Logesh.
have you with us. So
My
firstly,
pleasure.
congrats for the release of V, which is released
Thank you.
on Amazon Prime on September 5. But before
Exactly.
getting into the film, I'm very curious to know what kind of feeling you have now on your mind. Because I've been following you for years. Like I heard that you feel so nervous before any theatrical release of your films. So, but then this film is releasing on OTT. So, what kind of a
Mm.
feel you have now, Nani? Like, I want
This,
to know
this this time it's into two.
that. Okay.
No, because the reason is because every time what happens is I get to till the end of the, like, let's say for example, day after film is releasing. Till then we'll be so busy running around. I would have gone to the mixing place, and then I will see the final coming together. And I used to be caught up, even though I used to have a lot of that nervousness, anxiety, butterflies, and all that. But I used to be busy, because I used to see, just the prints being dispatched, the hard disk being sent to the USA, the sound discs going, and all the drama used to happen. We used to go, you know, I used to be busy. The mind used to be busy. This time, the film is ready long, long back. We have seen the film, and then we're just waiting for everyone to watch it. And I can't, even the interviews, I'm sitting at my place and doing all the video interviews. So this is a very different experience, and I'm just waiting for people to see the film. And I'm not even getting to watch the first day morning show with the audience, kind of a thing. So I'm just going to get all the feedback through online. So this is a different experience, but I think the 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 feeling before the release now this time is even more. It's into two right now.
Yeah, I think the trailer has garnered tremendous response. But then this is your first 25th film and you're playing an antagonist. Like it's a huge move, Nani. Like so what kind of thought process you gone through before signing this film?
When you watch the film, you'll understand why I've chose it, because it has everything. It has the challenge for the performance. It has something unique you can explore about yourself. At the same time, it has something the audience will root for. It has it has everything. The role, it's quite mainstream. It's not too experimental also, but it's something very unique for Telugu, which we didn't experience. So when Mohan sir narrated this itself, for me, I knew this was something very exciting. This will be something very cool if we pull it off. But I didn't know how it will all come together. How when we finish the film, how the final product will look. It was all looking good on the paper. But when I saw the final product, I was so happy. It really went above what we thought when we initially heard the script. So I'm super happy with the final output, and now I'm just waiting for everyone to watch.
We all are waiting. And then it's like the third film with Mohan Krishna and Rakanti. But then, like you have a great rapport with him. But how is it to shoot with him now? Like after all these years, tell me the experience of bonding with him again.
It's with Mohan sir. It's been you will not believe the experience of shooting with him. See, I have evolved as an actor. Mohan sir evolved as a filmmaker. If you look at Astachama or the initial films, and from what he has done with V, you will not believe the same guy directed the film, because it's such a big jump in every which way. And as an actor, I had my own journey, and in between we met for Gentleman again. In Gentleman also, we felt that there was so much difference, but whether it's Astachama, whether it's Gentleman, whether it's We now, our what we are as people is exactly the same. The who Mohan sir is, who Nani is, exactly the same. Nani might be now an actor a lot of people know, and there's a 12 years of whatever journey. And Mohan sir is a director with so many films to his credit and all that. But I think who we are as people has been same, even when we met for Gentlemen, even for We, and the experience has been equally wonderful, like how it was for Ashtakam.
Okay, but if some other filmmaker approach you with a negative character, will you take up after this film?
Definitely. It is not. This is not taken up because it was Mohan sir. It was taken up because I loved what he wrote. I loved the script.
Okay. And
Yeah.
then trailer is very like it's like a cat and mouse game. But then I think there is a lot of mysterious thing behind the characters. So can you tell a little about the content? Like what can audience expect from the film?
Huh. But the B is not a lot of people are thinking like when I'm seeing something on Twitter, and when I'm seeing a lot of people are thinking there is some shocker, there is going to be some twist where Nani is not the villain, Nani is the hero, Sudhir is the villain. They're all guess. I think they're all thinking that it's going to be a very twist and turn kind of a story. It's not. It's quite simple. It's what it is in the trailer. It's a straight narration, but it's that film which will grip you, which will take you into the film and make you feel for the character and keep you hooked till the end. It's that kind of a film.
So you are
So, pardon?
so you are a psycho killer in the film.
I am, I am kill, but I doesn't have any. It is not about shocking you. It's about gripping you. This film, yeah.
And then like Nani, we all are going through tough times in this lockdown, and things are very bad. But then, what keeps you creatively motivated, Nani, as an artist? Like,
Just like all the content which is available on OTT, when I'm watching it, when I see a great performance, when I see a great movie, I'm like raving to get out and go back to the shoot, because I cannot wait, because it's so motivating, it's very inspiring. When you see some of the best works, it's really so inspiring, and then we are stuck in a position where we're not working, nothing, we're just waiting it out, we don't know. But I understand it's just not me, it's just not it's across the world, it's not one country, one industry, one place. We are all going through a pandemic. So I just hope we all get out of it safe, so we can again get back to work and completely resume everything.
but yeah, like best blessing in disguise. You have been busy for the past 3 years, like a lot of films. But then you got some chances to spend time with your family also, right? Like, can you tell us about it? Like, how spending time with the kid?
That made my last 6 months easiest, because of my son Arjun, who's just 3.5 years old, and it's a very cute age where they just learn to talk and do things. And I always, before the lockdown, I used to think that I'm really missing out on all those little things. So it is a blessing in disguise that I got a lot of time to spend with him, and now it's a different thing altogether. Now I know when I get back to work, it's going to be very difficult.
And yeah, and you started off as an assistant director. Like, I'm sure you would have been writing a lot. Like, did lockdown force you to write some scripts?
Not scripts, a few ideas I wrote it down, but I not that is just for an exercise to the mind, not to do something, not to make any film out of it, not to anything, not with an agenda, just to it is fun to just think of ideas, just to have music and just think of some emotions, to think of a story, think of character. It's very nice. It's a beautiful exercise.
And yeah, then like last thing, and your next film, Tak Jagdish, is yet to resume the shoot. So, what's the plan about it?
It's 45%, 50% done already, the shooting before the lockdown itself. And the 50% is left. The planning is happening. I'm getting back to shoot in October. And yeah, once I start it, I'll be finishing Tak Jagdish, and then I'll be starting Shyam Singh Roy.
Oh, nice. And being your 25th film week, so 25th film, this film you would have thought to release in theaters. Like, so are you really disappointed that the film is releasing on OTT?
No, this is going to be now. I'm. This is going to be extra special now, because even 10 years down the lane, we will talk about this experience. We will talk about how it was, how it released, how we did the interviews like this. So this is going to be a very special experience, and it is definitely memorable for its own reasons.
Nice, Nani. It's a pleasure talking to you, Nani. Thanks.
Thank you, Logesh. Thank you. Pleasure talking to you.